Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagadi Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kano kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Angel Spirit, so this is something the moon card, no? This is something a truth reveal. Na may mga bagay na mailalantad na, may mga bagay na mailalakad na, may mga bagay na man makikita mo na yung mga pangarap mo, or there's something in dreams, no? Or either this is a dream coming true, or either there's a dreams na binibigyan ka ng synchronicities. There's something delusions, guys. Additional messages. So this is the 8 of Wands for the 8 of Wands for something a fast movement, or of course a fast communication, email or messages, or there's a trouble, guys. And of course, there's something the Temperance. So there's a perfect timing for you. This is something guidance or divine intervention. So may mga bagay dito na parang unti-unti nang hihilom. Not just something healing. And of course, there's a solid foundation rather, guys. And of course, there's something at 2 of Pentacles. So there's a balance. So kailangan mo maging balance dito, guys. Spiritual and mental, physical and of course material. So let's see what is additional messages. So there's something the 9 of Pentacles with the security. No? Kailangan maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. Pagdating sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, kailangan maging secure ka. Additional messages. So this is a death card from the ending in your beginning. No? May mga bagay na tatapusin na sa'yo. May mga bagay na magsisimula na. This is something Hermit card with the moon card, no? Sabi ko na nga ba na about sa moon card dito is a dream or something a prophecy or something intuitions, no? Maaring there's a Hermit card, this is spiritual, no? Maaring binibigyan ka na sign about sa spiritual na dinadaan sa panaginip mo. So let's see what is the 8 of Wands. So there's something they came in. Oh, you're feeling stuck. You're feeling hang. No? Lutang ka dito. Maraming communication, maraming documents or something information na nangyayari sa'yo, pero hindi mo natatandaan. Na mabilis kang makalimot. So, let's see what is the Temperance. The Temperance represent the Knight of Swords. See, there's anxiety, sleepless night. Oh, there's something stress, depression. So, let's see what is the 2 of Pentacles represent the 5 of Swords. There's a soul sabotage. Be aware, guys, no? Sa magagawin mong actions, maging balanse ka lagi, no? Isipin mo yung magiging posibilidad. Let's see what is the 9 of Pentacles. So, there's an information with the 3 of Wands. So, there's a waiting for a soul, waiting for a ship. Na may mga bagay na dapat kang hinihintay. Pinapangalagaan ang iyong mga dokumento, yung mga preparations, no? And then, of course, the death card represent the 10 of Pentacles. So, this is a long-term success and long-term investment, no? Magdadala sa'yo ng pangmatagalan to. This is the transformations, no? Tinapos na or maaaring, kumaga, meron ditong meron ako na sense dito with the 10 of Pentacles yung pamana, no? This is a death card, na parang may namatay na yumao sa inyo na meron ditong pamana. So, let's see what is the Moon card and the Hermit card. So, this is the 8 of Pentacles in fast communication, fast mood. At the same time, there's something collaborations. And because there's something, kumaga, focus, no? Focus on being dedicated sa ginagawa mo, no? Kumbaga, there's a witchcraft, guys. There's something a witchcraft na sense ko. Na may gaaring gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, kaya nananaginip ka. No, sa madaling araw, sa of nowhere, guys, nagigising ka 2 or 3 a.m. Or either hindi ka makatulog. Okay, this is the 8 of Wands because the Hangman in reverse. So this is something a 6 of Pentacles. So there's a give and receiving something by the universe. Magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances for you, no? There's a temperance that requires the Knight of Swords. So there's the Queen of Swords. So this is the bigger picture. No? Kumaga, there's a solid foundation, guys. Solid investments or something like that. There's something anxieties, depressions. No? Kumaga, nai-stress ka dahil sa mga negative thoughts. No? This is something delusions, guys. No? Kaya kailangan na tingnan mo yung magiging posibilidad. No? Huwag ka tumingin sa mga iniisip mo lamang. No? Kumbaga, hindi mo pwedeng walang assurance guys, na parang gusto mong mangyari yung ganito pero hindi yung ganun yung magiging posibilidad. Kaya kailangan maging transparency, maging open ka na because tanggapin mo yung mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo. There's something Ace of Swords, there's a breakthrough na magtatagumpay ka dito. Kailangan mo lang putulin yung mga kaugnayan sa mga taong alam mong ginagamit ka behind your back. There's something parasites, not users, na maaaring ginagamit ka lang kasi napapakinabangan kanila eventually, guys. Kaya parang kailangan alisin mo yung yung stop the pattern or stop the system, no? Yung cycle o sistema, no, na naaangkop ka doon. Alisin mo at kumawala ka dyan. This is something toxic or toxicities, no? This is a toxic family, toxic workers, or toxic friends. Let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles because the Three of Wands. Represent what? This is a 10 of Wands by burden. So, nakakaranas ka ng burden ngayon, obligation or responsibilities. No, hinihintay mo na lang yung ship mo dito para mabago yung tandahana or mabago na yung eksena mo. So, let's see what is the Death card in the 10 of Pentacles. So, this is the Sun card. Now, this is something arise with a success. And of course, a wish fulfillment, accomplishment. So, this is something positive outcome. So, magiging maganda ang kalalabasan mo dito. There's something for once with the outcome. Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng celebration, homecoming, family gathering, no? And because this is something a Queen of Cups by healing, no? Unti-unti paghilom na. And because this is something the World card, na maaaring magta-travel ka around the world. Or there's something na uuwi ka sa Pilipinas, o uuwi ka sa ibang bansa, o by local or international man yan. There's a travel, guys. And there's a success, guys. So there's something all aspect of your life maaaring magsasuccess. So let's see additional messages about sa career. About sa career mo, there's a Knight of Pentacles, no, with the blossoming abundance. Maring lumago at lumakas ang iyong finances. Eventually, there's the Page of Swords, spying, looking, watching at you. No, kailangan subaybayan din yung mga bagay-bagay para sa'yo. Alamin mo, tuklasin, no? Kumbaga, huwag kang mapagod, huwag kang magsawa na aralin or matutunan yung mga bagay-bagay pagdating sa finances. Or eventually, guys, may nanonood at sumusubaybay sa'yo behind your back. Maging aware ka lang, ha? And because there is something a Queen of Pentacles being practical and good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur or business or pagdating sa finances. So, kailangan maging practical ka at limitahan mo at kumbaga pangalagaan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. No? Kumbaga, kailangan alamin at tuklasin mo at lakasan ang pakiramdam ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. Dahil hindi mo kilala kung sino yung mga totoong kalaban mo at sino yung mga totoong tao para sa'yo. So, let's see additional messages about sa love life. So, love life mo, there's the King of Swords. Stop the pattern. See? Kailangan putulin yung mga tao may hidden agenda pagdating sa love life. There's the Seven of Cups, confusion, or maaaring nanggugulo sa'yo para mawala ka sa posisyon. No? Pagdating dyan, may panggulo. Maaaring naguguluhan ka pagdating sa love life or maaaring naguguluhan yung person mo, rather. And because this is the Eight of Swords. See, I told you, this is a toxic family, guys. Or toxic family or toxic environment, toxic friends. This is something a toxicity is pagdating sa relationship nyo. And the Ace of Wands is something a new beginning, no? Magkakaroon ka ng bago simula dito. Kailangan nyo kumawala sa mga taong nabibigay ng toxicity. So, let's see additional messages about sa health. Sa health mo naman, there's a Knight of Cups without something a wish fulfillment. So, maaaring gumanda na ang kalusugan mo. At the same time, there's an Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money. So, this is a big opportunity. Kung mag-aakibat ang katuparan sa mga pangarap mo sa health mo, maaaring, kung pag natupad mo to magiging maganda ang kalusugan mo, parang ganon. Or maaaring maging maganda talaga kalusugan mo ngayon. So, let's see. Pagdating naman tayo sa Money Move Oracle deck. So, let's see about naman to sa career or finances. No, tungkol sa pagkakaperahan, let's see. Ano kaya ang may dadagdag sa iyo ng ating mga barahan? And there is a shielding. See, I told you, may ahas, oh. Diba? Kung may nagbabalat kayo dyan, mag-ingat kayo. This is something time to set higher goals, no? Palakasin at palawigin ang yung mga kagustuhan sa buhay mo, no? And there's something loyalty. See, there's a friend with dog, no? There's a friendship, loyalty. Kailangan, kumbaga, pakiramdaman mo yung mga taong totoo lang sa'yo, no? Pagdating sa career mo, meron dyan, kumbaga, sumusubaybay sa'yo, Meron dyan mga tao nga hanapan ng pagkakamali mo. There's something kasi, savings. Pagdating sa karir mo, may malaking savings na paparating para sa'yo. Oh, ganda ha? Let's see naman, pagdating sa Mystic Love Oracle deck for romance. No? Pagdating sa love life, ano chika sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? So, let's see guys, let's see. Angels, please give me information po. And there is a good time. There's a sex, no? There's a something, kumaga, parang naaliw ka dito or something, there's a something charisma. No, maring malakas ang atake mo dito, parang Elsa ka dito sa tao na to. Oh my God, there's a snake, guys! There's a something ahas, guys. Oh my God, there's a something a third party, guys. Pagdating sa love life, I think this is something a co-workers or there's something a family related or either a friends of yours, no? Meron din siyang trader team, mag-ingat ka ha. And there's something, see? Not showing the true self. Meron dyan hindi totoo sa'yo. No, mag-ingat ka. Meron nagpapanggap, nagbabalat kayo, impostor, mag-ingat ka. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. Magical fairy messages represent emotional healing. So, magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing dito, guys, no? Maaring makakaramdam ka na parang okay ka, naka-move on ka na. And there's a perfect timing for you, no? Kumbaga, this is the right time for you to moving forward. See? Ito na yung panahon para maka-move on ka na. Ito na yung panahon para pakawalan na yung nangyari sa nakaraan. Mag-ingat ka na, diba? Let's see what is the synchronicities. Synchronicities represent something brother. Now, may kinalaman sa brother mo or brother niya. And because this is something soulmate connection. So, mamaya brother niya pala yung soulmate mo. And because this is something communication, imagination, sorry. Now, gamitin mo yung intuitions dito, guys. Now, palawakin at this is something creativity. Now, parang makakagawa na ka ng isang bagay na parang there's an own signature. No? Ikaw lang yung makakagawa o ikaw yung nag-umpisa ng ganon, no? Pagdating sa business or pagdating sa love life or etc. And there's something delay. Oh, mag-ingat ka, baka ma-delay ka ha. Maaring kumbaga delay for fertility, no? Or delay for opportunities. Be aware. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And because this is shadow side, this is the moon card, the truth reveal. May mga bagay na mailalahad at malalantad sa iyo. Now, there's something detachment from coldness. Malalaman mo bakit ng lamig, bakit ng lambot, charis. Kumaga, bakit itong tao na to parang bilang humiwalay sa situation mo. And there's seeds, no? Kumaga, mayroong itinanim or mayroong gumawa ng isang bagay na parang magulo ang buhay mo. So, let's see. What is the magical fairy messages for angel's answer? Ooh. Let's see what is the angel's answer represent what. And there's a let go. See? Ang pagpapakawala. Ang paglaya at diba? Pagbitaw. And there's a no. No, marunong ka dapat humindi. Hindi pwedeng oo lang, diba? Diyan ka naaabuso. And there's something within the next few months. Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon ng something changes. So let's see what is the romance angels. Pagdating sa romance angels, guys, pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig mo, ano pa madadagdag? There's a reconciliation, guys. Maging maingat ka ha, may babalik from the past. Oh my God. Ito yung bagay na to na maaari, wag ka na magpabudol pa, wag ka na magpa-auto. Just express your love. Ipakita mo dito yung totoong pag-ibig mo. Let's see what is the energy. Represent what? Goddess of the moon. So, this is something attribute. Na parang hinuhubaran ka sa katotohanan. Parang ganon. Parang pinapakita sa iyo lahat ng mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Ganon. Additional messages. And there's an adjusted possibilities. Now, may mga pinto ang magsasara sa iyo like opportunities. May mga bago opportunities na magbubukas para sa iyo. And because this is something, a second chakra, Archangel Ariel about sa finances. So, dadaloy na ang eksena dito, guys. And this is something career connections, no? Meron talaga tungkol sa pag-ibig dito, guys, no? Malaking factor. It's either kahinaan mo yung love life or kalakasan mo. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. And there's a miracle. May himala, guys. And because there's something perseverance. Konting tiyaga pa, ha? Laban ka lang dyan, guys. Huwag ka mapapagod o huwag ka matatakot. There's a prayer, no? Kumbaga natutupad na yung mga dinasal mo. This is something prayer works with a miracle. See? Ang lahat ng mga pinagdasal mo ay maaaring may himala. So, mga bagay na hiniling mo, maaaring matupad na. Tiyaga ka lang dyan, guys. Eto na, matapa mo muna. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. You and your loved ones are safe. So, mga mahal mo sa buhay daw ay safe naman daw, ha? And of course, there's something your time to make a decision. So, kumaga, there's something time, no? May oras at panahon ka para magdesisyon. Hindi ka pwedeng pala desisyon dyan, ha? Pag-isipan, magmuni-muni. At the same time, sense of humor. Tignan mo yung positive outcome, no? This is something about sa situation, no? Kailangan mo titignan yung posibilidad or something, positivities. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. For Archangel Raphael messages for you. And there's an exercise is the key. So, some of you guys, kailangan mo exercise, massage, no? And there's a sobriety, kailangan mo fruit and vegetables. So, let's see what is additional messages for an angel spirit guides. And there's a denial, i-acknowledge mo yung fear, guys, no? Replace mo yan ng awareness. Ay, hindi sa natatakot ka. No? Kumaga nangangamba ka lang sa posibilidad. Parang ganon. Kumaga ayaw mo lang magsisi ka sa huli. Para may magaganong kang eksena, eh, no? And there's a gratitude, no? Be thankful sa lahat ng mga hinahain sa'yo, no? Lahat ng mga bagay na binibigay sa'yo ay it's an opportunity to learn. So, let's see, guys. So, what is the Monsology? For Monsology represent what? And there's a don't let pride get in your way. Naalisin yung ego and pride nyo dito, guys. And this is the emotional running high. So, magiging emotional ka this time. It's either a tears of joy or something fear or something kabiguan, ganon, no? Or rejections or something failure. So, let's see. So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. And of course, there is something transmutation, purification, paglilinis, ha. Lilinisin yung mga bagay na alam na magiging balakid sa buhay mo. Kaya huwag magtaka, ha, kaya kung bakit inaalis ng ating Panginoon yung mga tao, sitwasyon, kasi ayaw ng ating Panginoon na maranasan mo yung mga bagay or kailangan mo maranasan yung mga bagay na yon. And there's a violet for spirituality. So, see, di ba, this is something involving by spiritual, no? So, let's see what is an angel spirit guides. Represent what? There's a writing. So, ibig sabihin, papagandahin na ang kwento mo dito, no? Or may mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan at kailangan mo humilom. At kailangan mong pakakatandaan lahat ng karanasan na naranasan mo. There's something music, no? Kumaga makakatulong daw yung music sa'yo for healing energy. So, let's see what is additional messages for an angel spirit guides. And there is a whale and the orca elders. So there's a diving deep. So there's something frequency of the sound. So parang kumbaga gusto mo maging malaya sa kaisipan. Na parang ayaw mo makakarinig na kung ano-ano man. Kumbaga sarili mo lang ang gusto mong pakinggan. So let's see what is additional messages. Ano kasi nasa dito, there's a wait. No? May mga bagay na gusto mong hintayin or may mga bagay na kailangan mong hintayin. Kasi may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. May mga bagay na kailangan mo hintayin yung takdang panahon. So, let's see what is the Jesus Loving Quote said. Jesus Loving Quote said, I am with you always at the end of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, nandito lang daw ating Panginoon na ginagabayan ka kahit na pinagsakloban ng langit at lupa ang iniisip mo. No? Kumaga, nandiyan lang ating Panginoon na ginagabayan ka kahit na kumaga nagkakano ka alinlangan sa paniniwala sa Kanya. And of course, sabi dito, knock and shall be open to you. Binibigyan ka ng opportunity para buksan ang pinto, para malaman mo ang kahulugan ng mensahe at mga pinaparating sa iyo ng mga gabay. No? Kumaga, kinakatok ka para magbukas ka sa kaisipan lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay plano niya, no? At lilinisin niya yung mga bagay-bagay for you na kumbaga mas maganda ang plano niya kaysa sa plano mo. So let's see what is the angel's number represent what. So let's see what is the angel's number represent what. Angel's number represent what? Ano kasi sinasabi dito, guys, there's something 774 perseverance, no? Talagang double clarification, guys, na kailangan mong pagtiyagaan na lahat ng mga bagay na hinahain sa'yo. There's a need for a change of perspective of whatever has taken over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep going down the road. Your own, reach for the wisdom within, and then you just follow what the right next step is. So, see? Kumbaga, kailangan mong, kumbaga, magpatuloy, no? Kailangan mong pagtiyagaan yung mga bagay na pinapakita at hinahain sa'yo. Kasi may magandang, ano yan sa dulo, na parang ano yan eh, kumbaga, this is something spicy, na sa lahat na naranasan mo. No, kumbaga, mayroong tamis at pait man ng tagumpay, may mga mararanasan ka mga rejections and failure, but eventually, gaganda ang takbo ng eksena mo in the near future. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Never alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Sinasabi dito, guys, sa'yo ng ating gabay, may bond with God and angels is a flame which illuminates my heart regardless of the darkness around me. This bond is the foundation of my inner strength. It allows me to go on, having faith that all things will fall into divine order for my greatest good. Benefits is I ask the universe for guidance, I knowing I will always receiving its help protections. Today, the suns will arise and shine for me. I am never alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Kaya nga, di ba, kumbaga, di ba tulad na sinasabi dito, nakakaranas ka man ng mga kabiguan, no? Parang kadiliman sa nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. But eventually, yan yung mga will or something way ni God na para palakasin ang pundasyon mo, para patibayin ang kaalaman mo at karanasan mo na magdadala sa sa rurok ng tagumpay. So, may mga bagay na napapanahon, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa sa takdang panahon. May mga bagay na kailangan mong maranasan. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mong maramdaman. So, yan ang bagay na yan na, kumbaga, yun yung way ni God, no, para palakasin ka at patibayin ka sa hamon na ibibigay pa sa iyo ng ating Panginoon. This is everything changes. At sinasabi dito, as so bright radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me and transform every situation I encounter. I maintain a positive attitude, and in spite of any difficulties I may perceive, no matter the circumstances, I remain a source of true joy. Everything changes when it is about of the light of the divine. So see, lahat ng mga bagay sa buhay mo ay babaguhin, no? Kumbaga kahit na gustong-gusto mo yung bagay na yon, nayaalis siya sa iyo ng ating Panginoon. Kasi may mga bagay na itinakda, may mga bagay na ilalakad, at may mga bagay talaga ipagpapala. So guys, this reading is a monthly gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapo na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!